Part B here. So they said my u is log of q and my dv is minus 10q squared. So what they're looking for me to integrate is log of q multiplied by minus 10q squared. And I just like writing it the other way around. Minus 10q squared log of q. But it doesn't matter which way you do it. Okay, we've got to choose a u and we've got to choose a v. We need to remember whatever we choose for v, a u and a dv. Whatever we choose for dv, we have to be able to integrate. I can't integrate a log, so I'll have to use my minus 10q squared for my dv. So I integrate my dv, and that's equal to, so I raise the power by 1, and then divide by the new power. And I know the integral of dv is v, so that's minus 10q cubed over 3. Next, my u so must be the log of q, which means my du dq equals 1 over q, which means du equals 1 over q dq. Okay, I have my 4 important parts. Now I apply my formula. So, in this case here, we're going to have the integral of u dv equals, and our formula for by parts, u times v minus the integral of v du. Our u dv is what they want us to integrate. That's minus 10q squared times the log of q. That must be equal to u times v, which is, there's my u log q and my v minus 10q cubed over 3. So log of q by minus 10q cubed over 3. And then finally minus the integral of v du. V is minus 10q cubed over 3. And my brain stopped working. Du, which is 1 over q. Okay, time to start tidying up. So remember, log of q, if I want to write it as a fraction, is log of q over 1, and fractions top by top, bottom by bottom. So that is minus 10q cubed log of q, all over 3. Minus. So here, I'm multiplying my fractions, top by top, bottom by bottom, minus 10q cubed over 3q. Now, in the next step, when I'm tidying up, I'm going to remove my minus 10 and my 3 outside. So I have minus 10q cubed log of q over 3. The minus 10 comes out, so I'll get a plus because I have minus here as well. So plus, and my 10 and my 3 come out, so 10 over 3 times the integral. Now, q cubed over q. Remember, that's q to the power of 1, and when I'm dividing, I subtract powers, so that'll leave me with q squared here. Oh, and I forgot, of course, I have a dq here as well. Now, the only reason you need the dq there is part of your integral. If I'm integrating q, I need a dq, the derivative of q. So, minus 10q cubed log of q over 3 plus 10 over 3. Now I integrate. To integrate q squared, raise the power by 1, divide by the new power. Ooh, Jesus. Divide by the new power. Multiply our fractions, top by top, bottom by bottom. So I've got minus 10q cubed times the log of q over 3. 10 by q cubed is 10q cubed, and 3 times 3 is 9. We're at the end, so plus c.